The stitches for rounds 8 to 11 are the same. We'll demonstrate round 8. Please finish rounds 9 to 11 by yourself. In round 8, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 42 single crochets, finally end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first, then work 42 single crochets in total. We need to work 1 single crochet in each stitch. We have demonstrated 6 single crochets. Please finish the rest 36 single crochets by yourself. "42 single crochets are done. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 8 is done. Please finish rounds 9 to 11 by yourself. Round 11 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Take out the safety eyes and face. First, insert the safety eyes through both ends of round 1 of the face. Then insert the eyes between rounds 9 to 10 of the head, spacing 2 eyes 4 stitches apart. Finally, put on the safety back pieces. The eyes are completed. We'll continue to crochet. Put the hook back to the loop. In round 12, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 10 single crochets, 1 decrease, 18 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 10 single crochets in turn. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 10 single crochets. Ten single crochets are done. Next, work 1 decrease, which is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. A regular stitch has 2 loops. The loop close to us is the front loop. We'll make decrease through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops on hook. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook and pull the yarn through both loops on hook. 1 decrease is done.
Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. There are 2 ways to make a decrease. Method 1. Insert hook through the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. The loop close to us is front loop. Hook the yarn and pull up loop through the 2 front loops on hook. Yarn around the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a decrease.
Then work 18 single crochets. We have demonstrated 6 single crochets. Please finish the rest 12 single crochets by yourself. "18 single crochets are done. Next, work 1 decrease. Then work 10 single crochets. 10 single crochets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 12 is done. In round 13, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a second up 4 single crochets, 1 decrease, 4 single crochets for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 4 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 4 single crochets as 1 set. Work 4 single crochets. Next, work 1 decrease. Then work 4 single crochets. Work 4 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 4 single crochets as 1 set. Keep working 3 more sets. We have demonstrated 2 sets. Please finish the rest 2 sets by yourself. Four sets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 13 is done.